Okay, family, welcome back to the channel, Cooking with the Crew. I'm Jordan, by the way, if you don't know me, and today is Alicia's birthday, and she wanted some catfish, ground mullet, and fried shrimp. So I'm gonna fry the catfish, and I'm gonna show y'all how I do my catfish. And the seasons we'll be using is Kingsford original, no salt, black pepper, and Tony Chachere's Creole season. And just a tip, guys, if you use this, please season your fish lightly or whatever meat you're using, because this has salt in it, so that's why we're not using salt, and you don't want your food to be too salty. So we're gonna start with the original season. Okay, we're gonna lightly season our catfish with the no salt first. Then we're gonna go in with the black pepper. Then we're gonna go in with a little bit of the Tony Chachere's. And we're gonna flip it over, and we're gonna season the other side the same. And I have the grease heating up to 350, and we're gonna use all meal to batter our flour with. This is what the fish look like after it's been seasoned. And I have regular yellow cornmeal right here. I'm gonna put the fish in the middle. We're gonna drop it in the fryer. And we're gonna allow that to cook between 12 to 15 minutes. And I'll bring you guys back when I'm about to pull it out. Okay guys, the fish been frying 5 to 7 minutes. We're gonna give y'all a sneak peek at how it's coming along. This is how it's coming along. We're gonna drop it back in. We're gonna allow it to finish cooking for additional 5 to 7 minutes, and we'll bring you guys back. Okay family, we back, and this is the finished look. We're about to pull the fish out the fire. And this is catfish again. Allow y'all to see it real. We're gonna allow y'all to see it close up. We're gonna drop 2 more pieces and show y'all the process, and we're gonna end the video. It's a short video, but straight to the point. Quick and easy recipe, and it don't take a lot. And we'll be back once it's done. Okay, family, while y'all feast your eyes on this fish, in the next coming clip, you'll see that we did some medium-sized shrimp that I seasoned with salt and pepper, and I breaded with regular cornmeal. Then I fried them. Sit back and enjoy the music while you watch the video.
Told you so extra, but I know I'm the same, yeah. Love me in spite of my trauma. Give me what I need instead of the drama. Cause when it pop off, it's like, oh my. All good all day, but the night we be going so hard on the flip side. So tell me what we on a day, babe. I could keep that same energy. When you go low, I go low too. But you'd rather stay high, I know you. Can we stay high, babe? I'd rather be on that way. Tryna control our emotions. If we on the right side of passion, we could share love in the ocean. But if you wanna go insane either way, baby, we could go all night. We could do it all night. We could go all night, all night. Do we heal, do we bleed? I'ma follow your lead, but we could go all night. Now all of my calls go to voicemail. I block you so I don't raise hell. Should've talked through it in detail. Our separate ways ain't gon' end well, no. But when we get back, it's like, oh my. All bad all day, but the night I get that good till we act right. So tell me what we on a day, babe. I could keep that same energy. When you go low, I go low too. But you'd rather stay high, I know you. Can we stay high, babe? I'd rather be on that wave. Tryna control our emotions. If we on the right side of passion, we could share love in the ocean. But if you wanna go insane either way, baby, we could go all night. We could do it all night. We could go all night, all night. Do we heal, do we bleed? I'ma follow your lead. We could go all night.
I've been calm, cool, collected, but you pushing on my nerves. And I'm knowing your intention, I'm under pressure. Okay, I'm admitting that a couple things I said got acidic in the tone and the presence, I get careless. Long as you know I come with imperfections. When you look at me, you see the soul through my flesh. You something special. Know you looking bomb, the way you dressing, gone flex it, hold it still and let my mind digest. You got the leverage, you got the upper handle on the situation. You worthy of a million more of the storms that we weathered. We fight retreating, then fuck, but you trying to kill the cycle. When nobody stressing that body like me, I know the way you like it. I treat you like a queen, run the castle, you a treasure. Feel like you setting fire to my desire for the pleasure. You a gem, got me blem, let's make amends. No, you can't, I'm out here
trying to control our emotions. If we on the right side of passion, we can share love in the ocean. But if you wanna go insane either way, baby, we could go all night. We could go all night.
1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Demolished it.
Oh, Mom.
Yes, the strawberry is good.
Ooh, hold on. Good. Do that refrigerator.
Oh, that look tight. Jordan, I'm going there and get my cake.
Oh, Rocky working with her.
Ain't that my best friend?
Boy, you gonna die.
You gonna pull it up?
That's his sister. Mama, that's his sister.
Who the sister? That black girl was that guy's sister?
Yeah. Really skinny looking girl? That's his sister.
I ain't got a plate. Give me a plate. Hurry up.
Oh, that's a 3-layer.
Yes, ma'am.
Mama,
That's what I had asked for.
why you put up? Hey, thanks for the piece.
No, I want a paper plate. You can leave that. Just give me the paper plate.